Good morning, Redbird. Cheep, cheep. Good morning, Redbird.
Good morning.
We're starting off the morning with, well, afternoon, with Giovanni making some eggs, and then I'm going to pick up the dishes, because, yeah, I need to do them. You know what I can't stop thinking about? That Squish is going to be here in just a few weeks. Or less. Right? It is done, friends. It is done. So I was just telling Giovanni I want to work on a project, but I don't know what to work on. Like, I don't know what needs to be done. I could donate more stuff. But, okay, so there's the boxes in the kitchen. I want to donate those, but I don't know if I can carry them all over there. So I probably would wait for Giovanni to do that with me. Maybe we'll do that this weekend or something. And then another thing is I want to get rid of the bed frame, but can't do that right now because I can't lift that. But there's so much to do, so little time.
Do you want to donate the bed frame, or do you want to just throw it away?
Throw it away. So we can't carry it over there. You're like, hello.
Hello.
He said, you want to do what? You're like,
Get out of me. Get away.
You're so stupid.
I'm just kidding. No, I was thinking about just throwing it away. It's going to take a couple of trips, so that's okay. We can just throw it out the balcony.
Okay. You think it'll break though, coming off?
Maybe
like,
the brackets.
Yes.
The brackets maybe come loose, but we're throwing it away, so what's the point?
Well, in case anybody wanted it.
Oh. Well, I guess I can carry it down then, I guess.
I just took Riley out. The baby has hiccups, and I want to see if I can catch them on camera. So let's see if you guys can see. You see? It's like up here. You see the pulses are right here. Uh-oh. I can't hold the camera still enough for you guys to see. Well, she's moving a little bit. She's like making little pulses. It's like... And then she's also moving her feet around a little bit right here. She's been doing this thing where she like sticks her limb out and it presses outside of my stomach, and I'm like, ow! Okay, she's doing it right now. Oh my goodness. You know, I think the best part about being pregnant is knowing how like cool it is that your body created that. You know what I mean? Like a person. Like it's amazing what our bodies can do. like I feel like a capsule. time capsule, like encapsulating a human being in like a little box or something. Like she's made in a laboratory, but except she's made inside of my belly, and it's not see-through. You know how cool that would be if our bellies were see-through while we were pregnant? That would be freaking awesome. Because then we could see them all the time. But then that would also be weird because they'd be squished up against the glass. Or not the glass, but you know. It's just, it is amazing what our bodies can do. Say good afternoon to Squishy. She's, I think you guys can see, she's like bulging out right here. She's sitting on this side more over here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she keeps, I wish I can like have you guys feel, but it feels like a little rock right here. Oh. Just a few more weeks and we get to meet her, or less. Hoping to hear some good news on Friday. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. She just stuck her leg up into my ribs. Okay. Hoping to hear some good news this weekend about her and see if she's able, you know, like if they know maybe if I'm dilating or not. I don't know. I'm going to say something about the mucus plug thing, and I'm going to say something about the Braxton Hicks, so maybe they'll start checking me. I don't know if we'll do weekly appointments, but I think so, because I'm going to be a little over 37 weeks when I go. So I think that, I mean, I only have 3 weeks left. So I think they want me back every week. But they told me because of like the thing going on, that I might have to do a virtual visit, but how would that be possible if I need to be checked? You know what I mean? So I think that this is, because this will be an ultrasound this weekend. I think I know that this next visit this week, will be my last ultrasound. Makes me a little sad. I'm pretty sure of it, at least. Soon, baby, soon. I just hope that she doesn't tear me. That's like probably my biggest fear, is being able to feel that tear. I've never had stitches before. This is like the most extreme thing I've ever done in my life. I've never been hospitalized before. I've never had stitches. I've never broken a bone. It's going to be the most pain I would probably ever have gone through. And who knew that one day, the one and only time I would ever be hospitalized is for kids. But I did fracture my thumb a little bit, like minor, when I was a teenager. But yeah, my body's about to go through something it's never gone through before. Hopefully I can take it like a champ. It's just hard because I've never felt the pain of anything stronger than a fracture on my finger and then a sprain on my foot, and those hurt really bad. I'm such a wuss, guys. I can be very tough with pain sometimes, like good with pain. If I think about it too much though, I can be very bad with it. Plus me and Giovanni were trying to guess how much she weighs. I'm guessing she's a little, like, I think she's like 7.5 pounds, maybe a little over 7.5 pounds now by the time we get her checked this weekend. So we'll see. Giovanni thinks she's going to be 7.3. Yeah, she's been growing a little over a week over what she's supposed to be, but I think that she's going to be, almost 8 pounds by the end of this week, which terrifies me because she is going to be giant. Oh my God. Let's hope not, because I don't want to push out a 9-pounder. I'm scared. Okay, help. Well, since I'm not doing anything, I'm going to eat probably this whole box of strawberries, and I'm making ramen noodles at the same time. I don't know why I've been craving ramen noodles so badly. I know they are terrible for you, but I just can't help it, guys. I'm craving them so bad. I literally just walked around my house and tried to figure out something that I could do, and I couldn't find anything. I'm sorry, my vlogs are so boring, guys. I actually just cannot help it at this point. Like, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Mwah. What? Ew! That is so gross, Riley. I hate when she does like these weird things where she just like hacks up a loogie on you, and it's gross. Ew. Or she sneezes randomly all the time, and then she like sneezes all over you. She's gross little thing. Giovanni's calling me. Giovanni's always calling me. Who else do I talk to? Hi, Baba.
Hi, Baba.
Say hello.
Hello.
Well, I'm hungry now, so we're gonna make some lasagna. I'll make some lasagna. I just had a talk with Giovanni today. I am ready to start, not a diet, but I'm ready to start eating healthier. Because I hate all this frozen food, but here's my thing, okay? Like, I really like eating healthy and stuff. It's just, I haven't been able to. I keep making excuses and it's not an excuse, but I usually shop at Meijer's and their produce is like usually what I eat. Target doesn't have much of a selection of like produce and stuff, produce, sorry, I tried to say it correctly, but they don't have a good selection of products in there. So usually I don't really get to have a good amount of choice, I guess. And plus with like everything going on, the chicken is always sold out. So I can never have chicken with my food, which is usually what I eat because I don't like dark meat. But after this baby, I do want to start having a healthier lifestyle just to show my baby, you know, how to be healthier. And I want to be healthy for her. So yeah. The reason why I also haven't been on a diet or eating healthy is because every time I try, I have been having really bad cravings since I've been pregnant. So, well, not like weird cravings, but just cravings in general. Like, I just get random cravings for like really a lot of carbs. Here soon, once everything is getting a little bit better, I want to start going to Meijer's again. I haven't been there in a long time because I'm scared to go there because there's so many people that go in that store. I want to go soon so I can get like, I don't know, I just hate like bulk buying though, like when people are in need at this time. I don't know. I want to bulk buy some chicken for myself, but I don't know if they're gonna have chicken. That's the problem. And then I want to get like a bunch of vegetables, some fruits and stuff like that as well. I just bit my tongue. But yeah, soon this will not be a thing because I cannot eat that all the time. It's just not good for me, and I can tell like it's just bringing my body down. Plus, I don't want to keep gaining more weight after I have the baby because that will be not good for me. So yeah. Because this summer, me and Giovanni want to start working out again when I'm given the okay to work out, of course. So when I start working out again, like we were going to go to the park and stuff like that, go out, we want to be active, we're squish. So hopefully we get to do that this summer and not everything is canceled throughout the entire summer because that would suck. But anyways, I'm going to put this in here for 23, ouch, squishy. I'm going to put this in here for like 22 minutes. 56 minutes is going to take that to cook. So I'm putting on timer for 56 minutes. Okay, there we go. Alright, and now I better start editing because I'm getting tired again. But either way, I stayed up till like Giovanni got home last night anyways because I was editing. And yeah, I need to start going to bed earlier. I need to enjoy my sleep now because there's gonna be a baby coming soon. Oh my goodness. I'm really hoping I'll be able to upload in the hospital. It's gonna really bother me if I don't. But if not, it'll still be recorded and I'll still upload it as soon as I get home and I get settled in and everything like that. But I'm gonna try my best. It's just kind of hard because Giovanni doesn't know how to edit, so he doesn't edit any of my videos. I edit all of my videos, so I have like kind of no help with it. So, and I'm obviously the one giving birth, so it'll be a little hard, but I'll try to push it out for you guys. If not, you'll see my baby on social media, probably. My baby is gonna live on social media now. Oh goodness. Oh girl, I'm so hungry, guys. My eyebrows are gonna fall off sometimes when I open the oven. Has anybody else felt that way? And you feel like your eyebrows are just gonna melt off or something. Then I'm gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes. Hi guys, so I'm editing a video. I forgot to show you my lasagna, by the way. I ate it. It's gone. It's gone. It doesn't exist anymore. But I was editing this video from yesterday. I'm wearing the same shirt. I don't have much shame in my game. I don't have a lot of clothes that fit me right now. So this is just, I'm trying to stretch them out as much as I can. I really want to go shopping. But I don't want to go shopping now just because I'm pregnant. Squishy has been pushing out, still pushing out, bulging out everywhere. So yeah, she is ready to come out. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I was telling, I posted it on Facebook and Snapchat earlier, but earlier she was poking out really hard up here. She's been doing it a lot, so I was just like, okay, let me touch her this time. So she's pushed out like really bad right here, and I was like kind of like rubbing, I kind of massage like when she pushes out to like comfort her and stuff like that, so she feels my touch and everything. But I was rubbing her, and then I was just like, you know, I pushed on her a little bit. I was like, let me see what happens if I push a little bit harder, like to see if she'll scooch away or if I can move her around or feel her anywhere else. And I pushed, I applied like a little bit more pressure gently. When I applied the pressure, she like came out on this, like down here, like I just felt her like bulge out the other side, and I was like, oh my poor baby. She's trying to make do with what room she has in there, and she's just moving around, and then I get like kind of like it hurts me because she tries to stretch out and she can't stretch out, and it makes me feel so sad because she's so cramped. Oh, it made me want to cry a little bit because I felt so bad for her. Like, I just want to rip my stomach open and let her out. Let her run wild and free. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys turn on notification bells so you get notifications for whenever I post. And then make sure you guys click the subscribe button down below so you can become a part of my little family with me, Squishy, and Gio. Gio's at work. And then Riley, she's laying in her cage again. And as always, we will see you guys in the mañana. Good night, guys.
Darling, you